Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you must be fit and fine. So, now let's move to our teaching to study. So, we are studying chapter number chapter number 4. Okay, chapter 4, factors and multiples. This chapter we are studying, and we have solved exercise 1. Question 1, how to find the multiples and common multiples, already we have discussed. Then question number 2, how to find factors and common factors. Yesterday only we have learned. Okay, now today we are going to study very important thing, that is rules of divisibility. Okay, what are the rules of divisibility? Means if a number is divisible by any other number without dividing, how can we say? Okay, so if number is divisible by 2, how can we say? Suppose if I'll take 6 is it divisible by 2? So we'll check by dividing. We'll divide by 2. 2 3 is 6. Yes, it is getting divisible. So 6 is divisible by 2. But each time, suppose if I'll ask you 14 is it divisible by 2? So we'll divide it. 2, then 2 7 is 14. We are dividing and saying yes, it is divisible by 2. Okay, by dividing. But without dividing, can we say any number is it divisible by 2 or not? If I'll ask you 832 is it divisible by 2? So what you'll do? You'll divide it by 2. So 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 0. This 3 will come down. 2 1 is 2. Then 3 minus 2 1. Again this 2 will come. So 2, how much will write? 2 6 is 12. Now it is getting divisible. Okay, so after dividing we are saying that, after doing this division we are saying that yes, 832 is divisible by 2. Okay, after dividing. But without dividing, can you say any number whether it is divisible by 2 or not? Can you say? So that only we are going to see. Without dividing, how can we say that a number is divisible by 2 or not? Okay, so now we'll see a number is divisible by 2 if it ends in 0 2 4 6 or 8. This is very important. 0 2 4 6 or 8. You can see the example. 262, last digit is 2. 354, last digit is 4. 2790, last digit is 0. So any number ending with 0 2 4 6 or 8, any number, so all will be divisible by 2. Suppose if I'll take 3030 and I'll ask whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So 2 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 1 and 0. 2 5 is 10. It is getting divisible. Okay, so after divisible, if the last number is, what is the last number here? Can you see last number in 30 is what? 0. So we can see that 30 is divisible by 2. Okay, so in the same way, any number ending with 0 2 4 6 8, all, if any number, any big number, if the last digit is 0 2 4 6 or 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 2. Got it? So you can see so many examples are given here. Can you see the examples? So many examples are given. 2790. Look at here. 262, last digit is 2. 354, last digit is 4. 2790, last digit is 0. 1286, last digit is 6. 76, last digit is 6. And 858, last digit is 8. So all are divisible by 2. Why all are divisible by 2? Because what is the rule? This is the rule that any number ending with 0 2 4 6 or 8 So you can see all the numbers are ending. This number is ending with 8. This number is ending with 6. This number 6. Then this number 0. So all are ending with which number? 0, 2, 6, 4 or 8. So all will be divisible by 2. This is the rule. Okay. So what is the rule? That any number will be divisible by 2 if the last digit is either 0, 2, 4 or 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now if I'll ask you 3,54,268 without division, can you say whether this number is divisible by 2 or not? Can you say? Then we'll say yes, it is divisible. It is divisible. No need to divide. Without dividing we can say it is divisible. Why? Because the last digit is 8. And what is the rule? Any number ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it will be divisible by 2. So that's why this number, this much big number is divisible by 2. Without division we can say. Got it? It is divisible by 2. Why? Because it is ending with 8. Now if I'll ask you 2, 4, 6, 3 and 4, this much big number, is it divisible by 2? Then without division can you say this is divisible or not? We can say yes, last digit is 4. So the last digit is 4, that means it will be divisible by 2. Okay, according to the rule. Got it? So this is the rule. So this rule you'll write in your copy. You'll write in your copy all the rules. So only one rule till now we have discussed. Divisibility rule of 2 we have discussed now. Okay. In the same way, divisibility rule of 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7, 8 is there. Okay. Okay, now we are going to see the rule for 5. What is the divisibility rule for 5? Okay. If a number is divisible by 5 or not, how can we say? So if any number ends in 0 or 5, any number, you can see here, any number ends in 0 or 5, then all the number will be divisible by 5. So examples are given. 95 ending with 5, so it will be divisible by 5. 4450 ending with 0, so it will be divisible by 5. But why? Because the rule is any number ending with 0 or 5. Any number ending with 0 or 5, then let it be any number, it will be divisible by 5. You can see here, this number ending with 5, so divisible by 5. This number ending with 0, so divisible by 5. Okay. So if I'll ask you 2465, is it divisible by 5? Then we'll say yes. Why? Because last digit it is ending with 5. So according to the rule, any number ending with 5 or 0, it will be divisible by 5. If I'll say you 3470, is it divisible by 5? Then what we'll say? We'll say yes, it is divisible by 5. Why? Because it is ending with 0. Last digit is 0. So last digit is either 5 or 0, then it will be divisible by 5. Okay, so this is the rule of 5. Got it? So this is the rule of 5. Okay. So we have seen the rule for 5. Now we'll see the rule for 10. Any number is divisible by 10. How can we say? Only one criteria is there. Only one condition is there. If any number ending with 0, any number ending with 0, that will be divisible by 10. Like 50, last digit is 0. Okay. 430, last digit is 0. 5670, last digit is 0. Okay. 45,780, last digit is 0. So all these numbers are divisible by 10. Okay. So this is the rule. What is the rule? Any number ends with 0. Any number ends with if it ends with 0, then the number will be divisible by 10. Okay. Now if I'll give you another number, suppose if I'll give you 4,63,270, is it divisible by 10? Then no need to divide. What we will say, yes, it is divisible by 10. Why? Because the last digit is 0. So any number last digit is 0, then it will be divisible by 10. Okay, only one condition. And for 5, any number will be divisible by 5. What is the condition? Last digit should be either 5 or 0. But in 10, only it should be 0, no any other number. Okay, for 10, only the last digit should be what? 0. Got it? So this is the rule for 10. Okay. So what rule till now we have seen? Divisibility rule for 2, divisibility rule for 5, and divisibility rule for 10. 3 rules we have seen. These 3 rules you'll write in your copy and you will learn it. Okay. Then rest of the divisibility rule for 3, 4 and 11 all will see the next day. Okay. So see you tomorrow in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.